Play to earn models in crypto games. Okay, now we can get into the many different play to earn models in blockchain gaming. Blockchain technology allows you to truly own the in game currencies and items you've acquired over time. This means you can exchange in game currencies for fiat currency and sell NFT items in the marketplace. Ranking high on the leaderboards among other skilled players is one way to earn in some games such as Townstar, Skyweaver, Mobox, CryptoFights, and more. Completing daily, weekly, and seasonal quests or challenges bring in consistent rewards. Splinterlands, Gods Unchained, Blanco's Block Party are some of the games using this model. Popularized by Axie Infinity, getting rewarded for winning a match is something all gamers can relate to. Games using this model are, of course, Axie Infinity, Splinterlands, CryptoBlades, Data Arena, as well as many others. The gamification of decentralized finances help familiarize gamers with DeFi services. Staking NFTs, adding liquidity to liquidity pools, and yield farming are some gamified services. Star Atlas and Mobox currently incorporate this model into their games. Just log in and click a button to earn. Similar to this is Pi Network, where you click a button every 24 hours and gain Pi tokens. Brave Browser gives you an ad to click and you gain basic attention tokens. Rising Star allows you to earn this way in their game. If virtual real estate is integrated into a decentralized app, it can evolve into a metaverse. This unlocks many different ways to earn. Sandbox Decentraland already use this model, and Star Atlas will as well in the future. Just by actively participating in their games, such as holding their tokens or NFTs before a snapshot date or playing a few matches, you will be rewarded. This is my favorite play to earn model and should be default in every crypto game. Providing other players your services such as transportation, escort, joining their missions is another way to earn. Most upcoming MMORPG games like Star Atlas, Miranda, Cities Heroes, and others will incorporate this model in some form or fashion. A great way to earn is by using a game's lending system to rent out or delegate your NFTs to other players. You can find this model in Axie Infinity and Splinterlands, as well as Star Atlas later on down the line. Gathering craftable resources, also known as grinding mobs, nodes, or redoable missions, is familiar to many players and makes an excellent game mechanic to convert into a play-to-earn model. Mirandus, Project Seed, and Star Atlas will integrate this model into their games. Popularized by Grand Theft Auto Online, investing into in-game companies or marketplaces will allow players to make passive income through virtual markets. Citus Heroes is slated to integrate this model into their game. So basically, gamers are already familiar with play-to-earn models as they have popped up many times before in traditional games. Those models just weren't connected to blockchain technologies back then. And there are many more play-to-earn models out there, but the ones that I listed were some of the most common. Anyhow, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. See ya!